Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ugali Joy. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. May God bless you. It's raining. Let me stand here. Yeah, let me stand here. So thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And if you're new to come across my videos, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, like the videos, comment, and share. Yeah. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming each and every day and watching my videos. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And continue supporting me, guys. Continue supporting me. Continue showing love, guys. Yeah. And today I'm going to do something amazing. I'm going to show you something amazing. Yeah, we're going to enjoy this thing. And come with me. Actually, as I've told you, I'm still at Tana River. I'm still at home. Yeah, Tana River is my county. I come from coast region of Kenya, Tana River County. So I'm still in Tana River. And today I'm going to show you something amazing. Come with me. And the weather, it's raining. It has been raining, like it's rainy season. So like it has been raining each and every day. Like every day it must be rain. Like every day it has to rain. Like it's rainy season. So we thank God for the blessing of rain. Yeah, it's only that some things you can't do because of the rain, but we thank God because you see, like it's green. Yeah, so we thank God. We usually store water for washing, as you can see there. Like we usually store water for washing, and like it helps because you can't go and fetch water from far because water for washing, that is, you can't get from far because you're getting from the rain. So like we usually store water here for the rain. It's raining, you see, even here, like this line here, it has been raining since morning until now. It's around 2 p.m, but it's still raining. So it's lunchtime and I'm going to prepare something amazing. Come with me, guys, as I'm going to prepare that something amazing. And my today's attire, yeah, boom, I'm wearing my brother's shoes. They're so big. And I've tied myself a lasso and my top. Yeah, my hair, don't mind my hair. Yeah, so guys, come with me as I get inside and start preparing. Yeah, come with me. Boom. And first I'm going to light the jiko. I'm going to light the jiko first. This is the kitchen. Yeah, so first I'm going to light the jiko. I'll take it outside, I'll light the jiko, and then I'll start preparing the amazing meal. Come with me, guys. So this is the charcoal. Then I'm going to place this somewhere here. Okay, there's so many ways you can light a jiko. You can use this, or you can use these papers. But when you're using this, you just put inside here. Let me show you. You put inside here down, then you light it. But when you don't want to use these papers, you just use this nylon and light your jiko. So guys, I've placed this sufuria. Yeah, I've placed the sufuria. So guys, the two ways of cooking ugali. According to me, I know two ways of cooking ugali. Like you can leave first the water to boil, then you make the ugali direct. Like you don't wait for it. So like when the water boils, that's when you make your ugali. Or you can make porridge first, then you make the ugali. So with me, I'm used of making porridge first, like this one which I'm doing now. Then after this now, then that's when I'll cook the ugali. Like I'll just put the flour inside here and stir this way until it becomes porridge. Then I'll leave it for some time to boil. That's when I will cook my ugali. Yeah. So guys, I hope until now you're enjoying the video. Yeah. Just simple life at the village, no pressure, no anything. In fact, this flour it's from the posho mill. Like now people are harvesting, so like we have maize, so we just take the maize to the posho mill, then we get fresh flour from the posho mill. So it's very energetic. Even the porridge when you give to your children, like it's very energetic. It's boiling. So now it's ready. Sunga ugali. Hakuna kamata kwa.
Hakuna.
Yeah, that's the ugali. So guys, we put water after putting the ugali here, because when you want to wash, you don't get hard time when washing this for real. So like when you're washing, you don't get hard time. And one thing that I've been taught, like when you're done cooking, you just wash this immediately. The umwiko, yeah, you wash it immediately. So like after washing this way, now we are washing with soap, you don't get hard time because there's no those makoko. Yeah, you don't get hard time. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for your kindness that you're showing me. Road to 3,000 subscribers. Kindly take me there. Less than 500 subscribers, guys. Kindly take me to 3,000 subscribers and I'll be forever grateful. And now I want to prepare the stew, and I'm going to use onion, the ingredient that is onion and tomato, of course with oil and yeah, onion, tomato and oil, and we have these small fish. We call them omena or kumbu. These small fish over here. So guys, thank you so much, and for now I'll just say bye guys. Thank you so much for your time. So this is what I'm going to prepare for the stew. So bye, see you on my next video.